Hello everybody, good to see you again. This is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. I found the tree from the local nursery. This is the almost winter season right now, and the tree sitting right there. I select several, but I like this tree because this tree have a small leaf, and also there has a berry, red color berry that's really nice. This tree called Corokia, and I like the structure, little bit bushy right here. Of course, I'm going to prune this back down, see what we can upgrade on the next couple years maybe. But one thing, if you're looking at the trunk, I'll need the camera come over here. See, black color trunk is really nice.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's depending on what we can do. So we're going to cut back here, see what we can do. And we need to take it out from the pot, see how low we can go. Then we start pruning back the tree. Like always, we try to find out the barring, the bottom, see how much we can do. So we need to take this out, okay?
So it.
Oh, look at this, how beautiful this root system right here.
Very healthy tree.
Very healthy tree. And we're going to see what we can do. So we open up the root system right here. You can see the good nabari. But before we decided what we can do for this tree, I'm going to do some cleanup. The one extra small one, especially the one toward the inside. I probably need cutting right here, so let the camera can see.
Yeah, I'll move to the side so you can stand in front.
Let's see how much we can clean this up. That's good structure, but it's too tall. Too tall, definitely too tall. Oh, this is.
Good. Let me grab the blue pruner. Hold on.
I look at study the structure right here. The one right here, you can see the straight up. We're not going to make any forest design. So my idea, I always call this like a dog stick. It's a straight. So I'm going to limit it this right here, and the camera prepare that. Then we got an angle right here, and this one here, one to get angle right here. So now I like this part right here. See what we can do. We're going to cut right here too. Where are they? Oh.
So you're turning the straight sticks into angled sticks.
Angle stick. Here you go. And same thing like here. Too straight. So I like the angle right here. Camera can see it.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut right here. So looking from here, we get the angle right here, and this is pretty nice. If you're looking at, put the white background on the back right here, you can see this is nice one tree. See what we can do it. So we're going to work on the other side. Clean up some small extra right here. Don't be afraid of pruning the tree because we don't need that much branch. Like this one here. Now you can clear to see the structure, right? Like I say, this tree not going to finish it like the full finish. You need to get the time.
This is the first day of bonsai training.
Yeah. Of course, if you're cutting wrong one, that will be take time to recover. And then again, let me move this out.
Too tall in the center there, right?
Yeah. And this one, see here, this toward the inside. So this is the one maybe have a good potential. Let me turn the other side. Since the tree is tall, how about if we put it like this, we can cascade. That's another option, right? So let's continue the pruning. Let's see what's look like. Now we open up the branch and cut back all, not all of them, the one not necessary. Keep it especially the small tiny one, and study the structure. So try to use the structure and create the bonsai as fast as possible. That's my idea. And looking at the tree right here, because the structure, I like this part right here, and my idea going to bring it down as a cascade. But without the pot, it's probably hard to study. I have the one cascade pot in front of me right here. Hopefully can give you some picture what they look like. You ready? So this one we can wire down.
Don't snap it.
Go like this.
Oh,
but this one will be coming this way instead the straight. Okay, so like this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So let's wire this part here. See what it look like. Carefully, this is a kind of old tree, and Corokia is really hard wood. So when you bend it, you have to make sure you two hand just hold it like this, and little bit.
Oh, this is the part I freak out.
Oh, this is hard.
You want me to hold the tree?
No, should be good. I maybe snap it. See, I'm using the angle right here. Give the power.
Hold on, let me hold the...
Hold on.
Is that strong enough wire?
Yeah, this is for that work.
Oh my goodness, what was that?
You can see this was right here. Visit down.
Well, you shoot that for now.
So we can wire this with the pot.
Oh
Like
my
this.
goodness.
Remember, it was like here, right?
Yeah.
Now we bring it down, and we need to wire this later. But this is the whole idea, like this.
It's a lot of straight branches there.
Yeah, we can bend it this, or we cut back. Just wire this part, and wire this part. So the cascade one, right now we go into the cascade direction, okay? And this one we can bring down like this. You can tie up this to the pot for the training. But this two is really straight and is hard to bend it this one. So I'm going to limit it this one here off first.
Big cut.
And there's a big cut. Don't be surprised. You can see it? Gone. Okay, then I'm gonna wire this back to here.
Oh, I see it now.
And this one is extra, we don't need it either too. But no, we maybe can need this to tie up this. Like here.
Okay. So let's add the wire to that. Or-
Add the wire for this one, see how much if we can put in position, then remove this.
Okay.
We wire this one here, and we're going to put a little bit power using the cascade container. And this one you can see is far away from this line right here, so I'm going to bring this in. So I'm going to use give it some power.
Oh,
I'm looking at the flow of the disc branches here, everything in the same flow, and bring it down like this. And up like this. Now I'm going to use this as the top ground right here.
you're gonna wire that top branch.
Yeah.
So fast.
We'll figure out this one later on. So now going to put the pot back.
Still need to wire that. All right.
Yeah, I need to wire that. But we need to pot it this now.
Okay.
Let's pot it.
Okay. This is the position.
Yeah.
So you're wiring this into the pot, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
To pull this in.
Let me hold this. Ooh, I think you need to raise this. This is. I'll hold it right here. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let me see from the front. So we wire the whole thing. We need to make the adjustment a little bit. You can see the space here is too far away, so I'm going to bring this down a little bit.
Careful.
And this is not difficult. Just need to tie up right here. Eep.
Oh my goodness.
So this one I need to bring down a little bit too. Okay. This is the day one training the tree from the nursery material, and I saw the material, the structure, decided to use the cascade as the style. This is full cascade, and don't expect this quality would be like a museum quality, but down into the road, year 2 or 3 years later, this tree, my idea, this is like growing a lot like this, then you can make adjustment for the wiring part and change a little bit the position. That would be my idea. So, and this is all for today, and thank you for stay with us. You can click like, make a comment, let us know what you think, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.